AIGP Birungi agizire ngo n'ubujunanizi bw'abadumizi ba polisi mu za district okureba ngo barwanise emize y'abapolisi abasinzi ngo habwo kuba emizeji yagumizamo neba neje umuseshitongore cyabo cya polisi kandi yabashaba okugumana babohereza amazina agabasurukara bine emizeji.
Commission the Rukungiri District Police Headquarters that was constructed by Uganda Police.
Now, yes, Rukungiri District Police Headquarters.
Because the problem which we have been having with the discipline is that someone becomes indisciplined and the commanders look at them. You talk they are drunkards, but when you say submit the drunkards, he keeps quiet and the voice continues growing. But the top police leadership discussed it and we are going to ensure that one will address it. But the whole task is on the unit commander. Because for us in headquarters, we cannot know who is a drunkard and how to discipline him.
Birungi omukugamba kwe ayonjire yabahiga okuguma baruburindara ahabwa abazuga bagenzero misho no kugumana barumba ebyo kwerinda bakabanyagaho nembundu ecyabashabiro butabyama.
Attacks in police posts and stations, attacks on individual officers maybe coming back from duty or at workplaces. We have instances of private security guards being gunned and their guns taken, and not forgetting that the terrorism, especially by ADF and Al-Shabaab.
But the rest, we are candidates. My appeal, as the DPC stated, is to maintain this bill. You know, in Africa, we don't have the word vocabulary of maintenance. We all say government property, government property, government property. Somebody will stand there, he fails to support himself, we find him putting the foot on the wall. So please let us maintain this bill, especially those people who are going to lose it.
We musata bacirana omudumizi wa polisi bwa district ya Rukungiri araganise kuno baza kurebera ekyombeko eki oyihireho agizire ngo Rukungiri ekine kizubujo butagira cyome cy'abana bato remand home n'ababanza babatwara kabare.
Then we have a challenge of the juvenile remand home. We have a number of cases of juveniles and the nearest remand home is in Kabare. The distance from here to Kabare is a bit hectic. So we need to follow it up to have a remand home in sufficient district.
Ekyombeko eki kikombekwa ekitongole cya Poorisi kandi kimazireho sente ziri kuhika miliyoni 20. Amakuru agagasha kwa Dani Basibye.